Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your cursors in Windows. So first of all, you have to go to Google or Chrome anything and then type in the CZ cursors or any other cursors things and open it, and there are a list of cursors over here. You can download anything you want by just clicking on it and then downloading it right here. You can choose if you want the pointer or the cursor. Like if you want both, you can just do it for both. And you can also preview here, like the cursor. This is the pointer and this is the cursor. And then after downloading it, you can go to settings, then Bluetooth and devices, then mouse, and scroll down. Then you will find additional mouse setting, and then this thing will pop up, got mouse properties. Then click on pointers over here and you will see there are many things. So if you click on normal select and browse it, you can just download one of them. I'm putting this and then click on apply over here. Then my cursor is now changed to this, and now when we are hovering on something like this, when we are hovering on something, it's still this thing, like it won't happen anything, it's going to be the same thing. So you can go here and then browse and make it anything and any other cursors you want, apply, and you got it. Now you can make any of them, you can customize any of your cursors like that, and that's it. Bye.